So we are going to go to the Great Park balloon ride first and then to the Laguna beach. So yeah, let's ride. So this is my winter break and I am really excited for today. So a winter break is a break in which you do not have to TA or RA. The winter break as a graduate student is a little as different to as for an undergrad. I suppose it's a bit of a transition to the adulthood. One of the best parts about being a full time college student is probably the awesome extended breaks we get over the winter and in the summer. There are some downsides to those long breaks, the boredom, feeling unproductive, or ending up strapped for cash right when you want to do some holiday shopping. Fortunately, those breaks are usually long enough to fit in a decent amount of work and productivity if you plan so, or even a nice trip. It was a long time due, and so for my break, I decided to visit the Laguna town. Falling in love with this quintessential California coastal town is a very easy thing to do. The SoCal energy is in full force, and the energy of the locals is relaxed and inviting. People in Laguna Beach tend to enjoy life, and it shows on their personality. Whether you are walking through the hot pink bougainvillea lined streets in the spring, enjoying a gelato on the boardwalk in the summer, or sipping a hot coffee on a winter morning beach walk, a Laguna Beach weekend is the perfect relaxing getaway year around. Although the weather in Southern California is typically regarded as perfect year around, there are better and worse times to visit the Laguna Beach. In terms of weather, the best time is summer. Other areas in SoCal can get hot during July and August, but the coastal breezes here tend to keep things comfortable around 10-degree cooler than inland. If you plan on swimming in the ocean, the summer months are ideal. The problem with summer is just that it's crowded. Laguna Beach can feel jam packed during peak seasons between like the Memorial Day and Labor Day. This relatively small city is bursting with tourists and can feel pretty busy. Laguna Beach simply cannot handle the influx of people as well as larger coastal cities like San Diego or even the Huntington Beach. After a short informational talk about the Orange County beaches, let's come back to the winter break. Personally, I tend to amass a huge amount of novels that I want to read during the semester, and they end up in a stack on my shelf waiting to be read. So, I use my breaks to try and get through as many of those unread books as I can. Sometimes, when I was feeling extra studious, I'd grab the books for my classes the next semester a little earlier and thumb through them to get familiar with the content before classes started. Now, my go to is to binge watch a season or two of something I've had on my Netflix list for weeks. I spend more time with my partner and I work on writing that I have put on the back burner all semester. If there's something you like to do but can never find time for during the semester, your break is the time to do it. Also, to have a productive winter break, I aim for a healthy balance between work and play. The right amount of leisure time can make actual work time much more useful. If you like my videos and my content, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also let me know what other topics would you like me to cover in my vlogs. May you all have a wonderful winter break and your winter break be both fruitful and fun as well. Bye bye.